All right, now we're doing 8Q invert values. This is by user 7657844, and 91% of the people like it. So we'll be given a set of numbers, and we're going to return the additive inverse of each. Each positive becomes negative, and the negatives become positives. All right, so you see here all these positives are now negatives. These negatives are now positives, and we're just going to return an empty array if it's empty. All right, we can assume all values are integers, and we're not going to mutate the input array or list. So if we're not going to mutate it, we could do something like this. We could say let result equal an empty array, just like that. And then we could say for let I equals 0, while I is less than array.length I plus plus. All right. And then we could say result.push, and then we would say negative array at I. And then we could say return result, click test, looks good, attempt it, still looks good, and then we could hit submit. But you know what? We all know how to do this. But what we might not know how to do is a one-liner for this, or using the concise syntax, whatever, however you want to call it. We could just say const here invert equals array. Turn this into an arrow right here, and then down here we could say what is this? We could say array.map. All right. And if you don't know what the map method is, let's go up here. The map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use this arrow function syntax. We're going to say something.map, and then we're going to have an argument right here. This function for the, this arrow that points to the expression right here. So we would say element, have an arrow right here, and then we would say negative element, all right? So it's just going to turn every element, every one of these elements into the negative of whatever it is. And let's just see if this even works. All right, and there we go. I'm going to attempt it. No tricks on that one either. Submit it. All right. And you see pretty much the same thing here. They changed up element to num, but pretty much exactly the same. Here's what we did at first, just like that. Just they changed it from, what is it, results to new R. But you know how it is. So let's go to mine. No solutions right now, no big deal, very much like this, and we'll see you next time.